Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. And today, what a volatile market. And market opened higher along with the Asian positive cues. Even the US futures were higher. But in the very first 5-minute candle, Nifty made a more than 100-point move on the downside. The second candle and fourth candle also, Nifty made a move of more than 50 points. So which means, in first 20 minutes, Nifty already made a more than 200-point move. Such a terrible market today. The only one word we can use to describe this market, as I told you earlier, is a very treacherous market. And then after 20 minutes, market started stabilizing and market steadily moved higher. And at some point of time, Nifty even crossed 16,400. If you remember, last week the swing high was 16,399. It did not touch 400, 399. But today it crossed. And everybody thought the worst is over. Now the markets have recovered. And we have a good news also, right? Petrol price cut and this and that. But I don't know what happened suddenly. Even at that point of time, even when Nifty crossed 16,400, and all the banks and all the financials were higher. But HDFC Bank and HDFC, they both were higher by only 4 rupees, 5 rupees. A 700 rupees stock, ICICI Bank is up by 15-20 rupees. Whereas 1400 rupees stock, HDFC Bank is up only by 3-4 rupees. And in fact, I thought if the HDFC twins start moving higher, then very easily market can break out decisively. But don't know what happened around 1:45 2 p.m. Suddenly there was a dip in US futures. Dow future was trading around 250 point plus. Suddenly it came to negative, and that might have created some panic here. And in addition to this, anyway FIIs will come and sell around 2 p.m. So the selling started. The selling was so severe that in the next 100 minutes, Bank Nifty fell almost 800 points and Nifty fell almost 200 points. And this is not the first time we are seeing such a huge selling after 2 p.m. And after 2 p.m. this kind of selling has been happening many times. So, today morning I predicted 16,180 to 16,380. But very first day my prediction has gone wrong, both the sides. Usually in a high volatile market, you say market will go up, I say market will go down, both will become true. Market goes up also, market goes down also. Metals as expected fell, and anyway, the export restrictions, but nobody thought metals will fall so big. 10%, 15%, 20%, and that is very, very bad news. So this highlights one thing, better don't trade in stock options. Trade only in Nifty and Bank Nifty options. Of course, if you are a put buyer, it's a different story. You would have made very good profit. So, as expected, banks also did very well, but except this HDFC and HDFC Bank, and let us see what happens. And then once our market closed, even the Dow future recovered, and now even during the intraday, in this time, Dow future fell from 300 to 0, from 0 to 300. So there is a swing of already 600 points. So as I told you in the morning, the US markets will have to stabilize. Right now there is no stability in US market, and then other markets are also not going to stabilize. And this kind of huge volatile move is going to continue for another 3 days, at least until the end of this series. At the end of the day, FIIs have sold less than 2,000 crore only, but I don't know why there is so much of swing. So anyway, it's not only FIIs, like some local people also would have sold because of some panic. So when it comes to call options, I think as usual, and people morning when market went up, they sold a lot of put options, then afternoon market came down, people started selling call options. So I think now the 16,400 as of now still a resistance. So 15,700 on the downside and 16,400 on the upside. So that is still intact. But let us hope that we will close somewhere at the higher end of the trading range. So that's it for now. We can't talk much because whatever we talk tomorrow morning, it will go wrong. So better we will talk tomorrow morning. Hope you enjoyed watching the video. Thank you for watching.